Hey guys, it's your girl Tasha. I'm coming back in with another video. In this video, I'll be answering a question. It's about the embroidery arms. I had someone to message me and ask if it's normal to have play in the embroidery arms after they have been installed. He mentioned that he already tightened the screws, but now he's noticing that there's some play in the arms. And the answer is no. There should be no play in the embroidery arms. So this is my machine here. This is showing the embroidery arms installed. And there is, there's that, but it shouldn't be moving here. So the purpose of this video is to remove the arm and show you how the hardware is set up on there to make sure that the hardware is installed correctly as well. When I received my arms, the hardware was already in the arm, so I just had to really just slide it in and tighten it up. But I think I might not be sure, but like when I received my shoe hoop, those bolts, the hardware was not in it. So I wanted to just show you how the hardware is set up, just in case if when you received your arms, your hardware was not already installed. So I just wanted to show you that part, and I hope this is helpful for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the arm just so you can see the hardware on there. If you need a video showing how to install the arms, I'll link another video showing how to install the arms on your embroidery machine. So if you need that, just check the description box for that link. Okay, so here I removed the arm off of my embroidery machine, and hopefully I can give you a good view to show you how the hardware is set up on the machine on there. So take a note of how this is here. Because I don't know if when you receive your machine, if you just received the hardware and you have to insert it or install it. But take a look at here. Then the screw goes in here. And then on the bottom, this is what you have on the bottom here. And I hope this is helping. Because it has to be installed that way. And also looking here, this is something that I just noticed, and I just remembered when I first got my machine, and when I was trying to set it up, one of my screws stripped out. So here, what is that, a washer? It has a washer under this one, but it doesn't under this one. I think that's probably where I end up stripping mine out. So I'm going to show you my other arm as well, just to show you the correct way, because it should be a washer on both of them, like one right here and one right there. So I'm going to show you the other arm. So here is the other arm, and this is the way that it's installed. You can probably just go back and look at the other video to make sure everything's facing the right way. This is facing up, and then here, both of these have a washer on them. I think it's a washer. I hope I'm saying the right term. So, see the washer up underneath the screw here. And then on the other side, there's also a washer underneath the screw. And just a side view. And then this is underneath. And then it just goes in like this here. Go in here, the screw goes in that little notch there. So I hope this helps just to make sure that your hardware is on your arms the right way. All right, that concludes this video. I hope that this was helpful. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to turn on your notifications. And until next time, bye-bye for now, but see you in the next video. Bye-bye.